Dude, school is so boring. Like, all these classes, bro. Oh my god, dude. Yo, man, you dropped something.
Hey.
What the? What is that? Yo, it says, yo, season 6 of the Henry News Hour. Oh, let's go! Do you smell that? What is that? Damn!
Oh, I'm tripping over the new season.
Andy Lee, Hmong International Academy.
Molly Minima, senior, Olson Middle School.
Oh, would you look at the time? It's season 6 o'clock.
Oh my gosh, today was such a rough day. I hate Diana, she ruined my day. She's right behind me, isn't she?
And you're watching Henry News Hour.
You ready? It's on? Oh. Tyshawn. Yeah.
And you're watching the Henry News Hour.
Would you like to give a gift for your Valentine's Day partner? Or maybe to yourself? Well, Student Council presents Valentine's Day baskets, which includes candy and stuffed animals. Raffle tickets will be February 13th. Right. February 13th. How do people get the tickets? Okay. For people to get the tickets, there will be people with red tickets just walking around the hallways. You can get them for only $1. Can you buy more than one? Okay. You can buy more than one red ticket. If you see them, go talk to them. Go get you a ticket. You can win it for yourself, win it for a partner. It don't matter. And you get your basket February 14th. Go buy it. What are you waiting for? Go buy it.
The 2023 year is underway and you can smell love in the air. The Student Council and Senior Committee are organizing a Valentine's Day dance. Tickets for this dance will cost $5, and unlike other dances, tickets will be sold during school hours and the day of at door 9. It will be held on February 18th from 6 to 9 p.m. It will be held on February 18th from 6 to 9 p.m. You will need your student ID to enter. Remember, only Henry kids are allowed, and you do not need a date to come to the dance.
You ready? Oh, we're still going? Oh, congratulations to Henry High wrestlers Adam Herr, Nav, and Louis Yang for being crowned Twin Cities champs in their bout against St. Paul Public Schools. When was it? Okay. Minneapolis Public Schools won in their bout 51-26 last Saturday. Also, shout out to all conference winners Joey Vu and Eduardo.